Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Diamond Alexis. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today, as you can see by the title, this is going to be about how I moisturize throughout the week. I try to moisturize twice a week, or especially when my hair gets like this. It was hot outside and my hair literally showed it. Like, my hair got deprived of all its moisture. I like to use aloe vera gel. This is the one with the whole fillets or whole leaves. I like to get the ones that aren't whole because it's easier to put into the spray bottle. As you can see, that is a thick consistency, and I had to mix that with water. This is the Camille Rose Curl Love. It's like I think it's moisture milk. It's really good. You don't need a lot of that. And then you're gonna need some oil, and see, that is the herbal essences, but I made a mix in the other bottle with the Miele Organics almond mint oil. And then this is the curl maker gel that goes with the Camille Rose moisture milk. You're gonna need some clips and your denman brush. So now I'm going to scratch my scalp and then start parting it in sections. As you can tell, it is dry and like a bit tangled, see, because of how dried out the sun made it. My hair is high in density, so it's very full, right? So I'm gonna let y'all see me part these. I like to do it in 4s, but I possibly do those 4s in 2s to make 8 braids across my head. No, the parts do not have to be even. Also, as you can see, another way to tell if your hair is dry is if it shrinks up really bad. Normally, well, not dry, because healthy hair also has shrinkage, but I'm saying after you've done your wash and go, and your wash and go is supposed to get full. It's not supposed to shrink back up. I mean, mine isn't. It doesn't do that. So once it starts to shrivel up and feel dry, you'll be able to tell if your hair is dry. It needs some moisture, it needs some rejuvenation. So I'm going in with that aloe vera and water mix, even though aloe vera does not need water, by the way. So that's why I would suggest you don't do the whole leaf. Go ahead and get the inner fillets. So I'm parting that, clipping it back. Like I said, I'll do 2 sections per 2 split sections out of the 4 sections that I've separated or intend to separate. Make sure that it's thoroughly soaked, well, not really soaked, but like damp with the aloe vera. And you want to stretch your hair to make sure that the detangle process is not harsh on you. You see the difference? Yeah. So go in with the moisture milk. This is going to soften your hair for the detangle process. Also, work that in from root to end. You see how I'm making sure to concentrate on the roots also, and then I drag it down to the ends. It smells so good, y'all. Taking a denman brush, you want to start at your ends. You never want to start at the root. You will break and damage your hair. You want to start at the ends, because normally tangles start at the end. The ends are your oldest part of your hair, so it will start at the end. You want to make sure you detangle your hair in the best way possible to prevent breakage, unnecessary breakage, and snagging that was not already there. And make sure this is thoroughly detangled. And then sorry, we're gonna go ahead and braid it afterwards, but we gotta still add that oil and the Camille Rose gel. So now that all the products are worked in, our hair looks back to life. We're going to seal all that moisture with the moisturizing gel. As you can see, it feels good to me. So after that, plait it, and we're gonna just repeat that with everything else. What is the purpose of moisturizing your hair? So you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized to make sure that it's still healthy and not deprived of anything. If your hair is consistently dry, it's more prone to detangles, tangles, snags, single strand knots, and split ends. And we don't want that. You want to make sure your hair is experiencing less friction as possible. So no friction within the strands of your hair, no friction when you lay down in the bed, no friction at all. You get what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you have your silk pillowcase, silk bonnet, whatever you use that can reduce friction on your curls. Sorry, y'all, I'm losing my voice. I don't know why. For the ends, I don't like to go all the way down. I like to do a little twirl, and yeah, that's it. If you want to, you can trim right here, do a slight trim, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will answer them, or I can make a video more about how I take care of my natural hair. I love my natural hair. I feel like it's easy for me to take care of. Sometimes I do have my days where me and my hair fights, but that's just your hair telling you what it does and does not want. So make sure you listen to your hair. I know that's weird to say, but it's true. So yeah, work all the products in. Go ahead and plait it. You can keep those in for as long as you want, but I'm only doing it overnight, and then I'll either slick it into a ponytail or do a wash and go. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm just gonna let y'all watch the end to the end, and yeah. I just realized that I said braid, I'm twisting, but you can do either or. You can do a twist or you can do a braid. It doesn't matter, because each one will hold in all the products and make it where you're able to maintain moisture. Remember that.
Bitch wanna party with a savage. Signing my savage and ass. High-end cars and fashion. I don't eat pussy, I'm fat. I'm a blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Talk to waitress, I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my chicken. I pour the rubber off and I put hot sauce on her tip. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 and 20. All these VVS, nigga, my sperm work, man. God, bitch so bad, I pop the miley for I
Your bitch gon' party with party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. I'm talking in a lane, dog the brain. No one saying insane. Pick up a chick on the chain, pick up a chick in the flame. Pretty took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Pretty put the pussy on upset. Cardi got brain on offset. Pretty took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Pretty put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Step in this bitch, it's your bitch. Look up a check at your bitch. Us at the coupe and the inches. I fuck up a bag at the Bentley. I fuck up a bag in the Bentley. Who you know trip like this? Who you know build like this? I fuck shit like a dude. Pull up the pop at your crew. Coming at you. They say you basic. I pull up the rollie with diamonds. I pull up the paddock with bracelet. I got your bitch and she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm such a leads in the range. So put the dick for the brain. So put your bitch for your main. So put the trap for the fame. I said the Cardi B, Cardi and brand. Your bitch want party with party. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, I can't believe I believe